The top news headlines. Manipur University of Culture deserves commendation and praise, says Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. MPCC workers burn effigy of Haryana CM Manohar Lal Khattar. And P. Chidambaram name in charge sheet filed by CBI in INX media case. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, said that the efforts made by Manipur University to safeguard the rich cultural heritage of the state and nourish its tremendous potential, as has been envisaged in the cultural policies of the government, deserve commendation and praise. She said this during the closing function of the Cultural Cum Literary Meet 2019 organized by the Manipur University of Culture at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society, Imphal today. Governor further said that Manipur University of Culture is a unique institution and a rare asset of the state. Such program of Culture Cum Literary Meet will serve its purpose of highlighting and promoting the rich culture and literature of Manipur, the attributes of an ancient civilization, she added. The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee today condemned the remarks by Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar against UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi. Members of MPCC tried to stage a protest in front of the Congress Bhavan, which was foiled by cops. The Congress party has demanded an apology from Manohar Lal Khattar over his Mari Hui Chuhia comments on Sonia Gandhi. MPCC claimed the comment is not only indecent and low level but also shows anti-women character of the BJP CM. A scuffle broke out between cops and PCC leaders as they tried to demonstrate in front of the Congress Bhavan. They shouted slogans demanding Khattar to withdraw the remarks with an apology. They later burned effigy of BJP leader and Haryana CM Khattar in front of the party's office. MPCC President Gaikhangam told media that it was very unfortunate that Khattar, being a chief minister, made indecent remarks against a leader like UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi during a public meeting on October 13 last. Criticizing the BJP leader's statement, Gaikhangam demanded that Khattar should apologize to Sonia Gandhi without any delay. He also criticized the BJP-led government in the state for foiling the protest, which was held in a democratic manner.
Trust and leadership deficit laibagi mami jamnu taya. Mangon afabo hai dissenable hai atana. Chaibi yai ngang biyai. Adugumba decency deficit leire. Mangon the laizadre khangzadre matagum masa matom tan phongdok jaba. Adugumba action namani hadana ekhoi condemn towi. Mag yam thuna apologize to one mag afabo ogani. Natradi hanaki mag ngali wo hai sina. Mangoda yam tina shokani prajana India da Bharat tale Bharat basina simak heman kheda hakman kheda politics ni haira basu masimadi ma akogi leader amana ngangada ba wanate hadana mayamna lauki bada magi su yam mangjabo ogini maramadana magi future magi leaders kanja hu ge hab taragadi ma up to apologize Soy Gramale, Lan Gramale, Kopiu, Hadana, Tuna, Haizabadana, Magus, Uizabo, Uigani, and Tanzania.
Arrested former Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has been named in the charge sheet filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the INX media case. Apart from Chidambaram, his son Karti is also named in the charge sheet, media reports said. Chidambaram was arrested by the CBI on August 21 for allegedly committing corruption by felicitating a huge flow of foreign funds to INX Media when he was the finance minister. He was sent to Tihar jail on September 5. The CBI has also laid allegations on Chidambaram's son Karti Chidambaram for receiving huge kickbacks for felicitating the deal. The Enforcement Directorate has also arrested Chidambaram in the same case and took the former finance minister in its custody till October 24. Khangabok MLA Okram Suraskumar today flagged off a 20-member team of Slopland Public School Khongjom for an 8-day study tour to Myanmar's Mandalay. The team, comprising of 14 students and 6 teachers, during the trip will explore the lifestyle of Manipuri diaspora in Mandalay and its surrounding region till October 25. Talking to media on the sidelines of the flag-off event, Principal of Slopland Public School, Nahakpam Bawlin Meitei, said that the trip is all about learning more about the lifestyle and culture of Manipuris living in Mandalay and other places nearby. He added that the team will also discover the difference in lifestyle between Meitei and Meitei Brahmin living there. It will also concentrate on learning about the Meiteis living in Mandalay discontinuing speaking Manipuri, though the Brahmins there still continue to speak it. Bawlin said the students will also meet the Consulate General of India in Mandalay to discuss Indo-Myanmar relationship during the trip.
Meitei Kul Kaya, Meitei Bamul Gi Kul Kaya, Pachangakani, the Gloria Consulate General of India, Mandalay, the Labor to pay Tangmat with the appointment Lore, Aduga Satising a Moki injection to Honi, Aduga Moki, Yam, Mentally Neighbor, Sumaitei, Labor Society Matanga, Hena Kanganaba, Consulate General Satising statue.
MLA Suraskumar appreciated the school authority for conducting such a trip. He maintained that other schools in the state should follow suit to strengthen the Indo-Myanmar relationship.
Lamda Lariba Manipuri, Manipuri Masasing, Tripura Tariba, India Manung the Haraga Assam the Tariba, top state, Wagi generation Kia Taraga Lakaba, top country Haraga Myanmar, Aduga Bangladesh, the Taraga Lariba Manipuri Masasing Siki, a gap lady said, Masi Amukena closeness, Amukena Nushina Bese, Masi Hena, Masigumba policy program, Mam Singsina Hena, Tokadrahena.
Commemorating the first Manipur State Assembly session that took place on October 18 of 1948, Coalition for Indigenous Rights campaigned circa to held a public meeting at Uttara Sanglin of Sanakonung, Imphal. Attending the meet, titular king of Manipur, Leisemba Sanajawa, said that Manipur National Day is observed to mark the historic event of the first Manipur State Assembly. In a media query on Anglo-Kuki rebellion, Sanajawa said that the historic event was not a war, but rebellion led by one Chingakam Sanajawa and Kuki leaders against then Maharaja of Manipur. He also urged all leaders to ponder wisely and work for the betterment of the society.
Assembly se, wasigin misada haibadi matam 1948 18 October Pangtokam National Assembly se masida aikogi Manipugi ningthauna aikogi miyam da piba magi address haibatari man ihalana madu pina hoji kogi assembly fama matamda governor na laukthokpa du maina ga tawdana yamna kogi democratic oiba aikogi system do yam ngan koi je haugre haibado aikogi anoba mirol singdai kon khangan ningbadagi ngasigi sum thoramasi pangthokpani.
Committee of Civil Societies Kangleipak observed the 4th Manipuri Puwari the Miyamgi Ahanba Lengak Laikhiba Numit today at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. Speaking at the observance, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba expressed displeasure over what he said the prevailing chaotic situation in the state where people just do whatever they feel like to. He said the first Manipur government was formed on this very day of 1948 and the first assembly session was held at Darbar Hall in the presence of 49 elected representatives. The Manipur State Constitution Act of 1947 established a democratic form of government, with the Maharaja continuing as the head of state.
2019 surukpa matamsida khwaidagi maru oiba perot amuk oiri haina khanjabani CCS ke namaramdi kaino da hojik akoi manipur da tongan ba itine group kaya amana magi oiba nakal namati gi oiba mityang da yamna separatism haidare maduda masa gi kogi kanosi kanchen le haraga tongan ta na bu khoner po masima koi committee of civil society kanglipang na masi sugya ya jade maduna marumoidana masi need of time hojik si koi khwaidagi maru oiba matamani khanjaraga Apunba Manipur ma kanamba Manipur progressive leba aduga develop leba aduga justice ta aduga equality da yumpham oiba Manipur ma sem nabagi yumpham tona nabagi ekoi anobu mirol singsi anoba masigi wakhalon singsi mathau tare an khanjabaglo ne ngasi tawrom se pangthok seban.
State Chairman of Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust, Dr. T. Lun Kim, Hetman of Won Village, K.S. Rihing, Secretary of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Abdul Hakim Sa, social activist Phil Son Wai, Lunghar and advisor of Ronmei, Lu Fum Panti Gonmei, attended the event. On the other hand, Professor N. Joy Kumar, Dr. Homen Thangjam, Male Mangal and Arambam Noni attended as resource person at the event. Now let's have a short break. Coming up next, Internal Quality Assurance Sale Nambol L Sanoi College organizes one-day exhibition cum sale at Nambol L Sanoi College Fitness Center break.
Nupi ekhoi gidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi ekhoi tingnaningai oidre. Aikogidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Takadoriba ningol chakobada set innabagidamak quality leiraba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna leiraba nagamapal ima kaithel opposite ki first floor da leiba showers boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhal gi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigen
nupi gakdagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangaw mafam Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adong ya pama design kuding makki order slok jari. Amtang lengsin biro kwai Brahmapur nagamapa ima kaithel ki opposite ki fast food dalaiba service boutique.
Welcome back. Internal Quality Assurance Sale Nambol L Sanoi College organized a one-day exhibition cum sale at Nambol L Sanoi College Fitness Center today under the theme Waving the Future. Director of Directorate of Handloom K. Lamhe Kamai and Principal of Nambol L Sanoi College, Dr. H. Rosani Devi shared the dais on the occasion. Talking about the exhibition, Assistant Professor of English Department of the college, Marina Hanam, said that the main focus of the exhibition is to showcase the talents of the students and financial independence through women empowerment.
अखोई ngasi की exhibition से अखोई की सात्री फी साबी में हम real economy से promote तौन बतौक जबनी का अदुग मोई की skills से apart from studies मोई करी तवी हाई बतो अखोई सी की exhibition से की खुतांग लो चनिंग मनी and then again अखोई की चनिंग में purpose मग हाई तार गदी women empowerment financial independence में हम दसु चनिंग में हाई तार सी की purpose अखोई तौक जबनी
K. Chitra, a BA first semester student of the college, expressed happiness for providing a platform to the students to showcase their abilities and talents through the exhibition.
College tamtamna state fees high college have the miscellaneous my organda single college samina towe college na police samaya towe.
During the exhibition, 22 students put up 10 different stalls displaying and selling their products. A 5-day workshop on realistic painting of tribal art held at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmeirong concluded today. Tribal Affairs and Hill Minister N. Kaisi, Director of Tribal Affairs and Hill, and TRI, C. Arthur Varchio, Additional Chief Secretary of Tribal Affairs and Hill, TRI, led Kogan Haukip were on the dais at the function. 20 artists who took part in the workshop were presented with participation certificates. Speaking at the function, Minister N. Kaisi was excited to experience the talents of the artists present in the workshop. He asserted that tribal artists lack exposure and hence they need a platform to exhibit their talents.
I could say, it is the era of the tribe. Simata. Madam Yale, Aduna, Aina, Nuida Mascata, the bar, communicate the bar, Topalete, and the way artist Mayamo, Takapalana, Nubi Mayanda, a era of the tribe agency, which is Madamni, Aduna. Artists in Nubi Mayamo, Takati, I wish you all the very best.
A team of Bishnupur commandos seized opium weighing 5 kg at Napet village area under Kumbi police station in Bishnupur district last evening. While patrolling, the commando team saw 2 persons moving in a suspicious manner and when they tried to stop them, the unknown men fled the site after throwing away their bags, a report said today. The team recovered 1 polythene bag containing 10 packets of opium weighing about 5 kg from the site. The recovered item was later handed over to Kumbi police station for further necessary action. Jinjak.com, a unit of Lamjingba Group, has opened a new outlet at Singzamai, Begebati Laikai, Imphal during a function today. Director of Lamjingba Group, Rakesh Mutum, inaugurated the new outlet in the presence of Board of Directors, Lamjingba Group, including TOMTV Director Byron Mutum. Jinjak.com offers variety of daily grocery items to the public through online or from its outlet put up in different parts of the state.
Iram damjida Jinjak haiba poche adugi matik yamna mamal oi maru oi haibna chingba mayam jo wakhalom de ihorak na bagi tanjado ai ngasi media gi through da lebak mayam sinba thungna ai paujel bizari hajikti ningol chakho buju yorok tore akhoi gi iram damjigi imai ben sing iche ichel singi chahi am tam tang thoksa ba mayam na yamna khorang ngai na ba ningol chakho bugi dam ta jo akhoi jinjak.com je mayam na nungsi biduna mayam na akhoi gi khangbi boina kairom tang ju leibi na bagi dam ta jo aina lamjing bagi maikei de gi jinjak.com maikei de gi aina mayam da ai request tok jare hairaga matang sidai
lamjingbagi akhoi unit amo oriba chinjak.com sina akhoi quality मैम दा quality maintain तौबा अखोई फसाइन अप्रूव तौरबा अखोई पोट्यान त्यान तौद्रबा ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट मैम से लोइनमक हार याउद्रबा अखोई पोट्यान चान याउद्रबा चाबद करेमता सोनियाय ओइद्रबा पूरा फ्रेश ओइरबा इंसेक्टिसाइड पेस्टिसाइड याउद्रबा पोट्यान चान तौद्रबा पोट मैम से अखोई chinjak.com दा अखोई फंगबगी खुदोंग चाबदो लेबा मैम दा पिजबनी.
On the other hand, Lamjingba Cape Service, which is also a unit of Lamjingba Group, today celebrated its second foundation day at Hotel Classic Grand, Chingmairong, Imphal. Among others, Chairman of Lamjingba Group, J.K. Sanasam, and Director of Lamjingba Times, Manipuri, Delhi, Lema Pokpam, Malem Nganba, attended the function. Not ably, ever since the Cape Service was launched in the year 2017, Lamjingba Cape Service has become one of the most popular Cape services in Manipur because of its affordable fare and 24-hour service. The event was also attended by several employees, including Cape drivers of Lamjingba Cape and staffs of different units of Lamjingba Group. As a part of the event, 12 Cape drivers were honored with case awards for their outstanding service.
Makatana lamjingbagi su haidi khoigi haidi services pi naba honaba matamda soigiba amadi nangnadaba khulnadaba yawwa si khoina management side tagi ju khangjare haidi khoina hoji service tawjiriba si gari humpuga manga ni ado lakaduriba sahi sigi manungdadi khoi gari chama henkalaga khoi mayamda amuka henna phajaba mongda service pi nangai gi damakta khoi lamjingbagi Cape ki maikai dagi amadi lamjingbagi group ki maikai dagi
Gulab jamuns made of Manipuri black rice chahao by Taret Foods Private Limited was launched at Manipur Praise Club, Imphal today. Founder of Taret Food Private Limited, Birbal Chingangbam, said that the product is made from black rice with the hope to promote indigenous food products of the state.
Chahao se mayam na khang na se healthy superfood ne ai khang nai so hoji phaw de khoi gi di kitang investment matang cha da badagi production je healthy yam na healthy oiba food makti oidri haibdi bujia haire or gola haire so ai ni yam na pamjabadi chahao gi yam na healthy oiba food am puthok ning ba adu duna cornflakes ki mawong da black rice flakes hairaga breakfast cereal oida chaba ya ba thau yaw da ba adai nutritional value full da wang ba adugumba product ama 2000 matang chahi the target tawjari.
National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Dibgyanjan, organized a one-day orientation training program on holistic management of infants and children with intellectual disabilities at INA Complex, Moirang in Besnapur District. The program was held in collaboration with Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons and State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. And now let's have another short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Diwali amasung Ningol Jacobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road, Imphal, Manipur. Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga ekoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangai Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangai.
Welcome back. A combined team of Imphal West Police and Traffic Police today evicted illegal shops erected on the footpath at Wahingbam Lekai in Imphal City. As per reports, the police team led by Superintendent of Police Traffic KH Sharma evicted more than 50 shops in the area. The shop owners were also picked up by the police team. Talking to reporters, ASP Sharma said that today's drive was part of the ongoing mass eviction drive against illegal shops and other structures in Imphal City. She also urged all not to erect shops and structures by occupying footpaths in the city area.
Wahang Lakai ki road sida footpath sigi mathakta dukan phami mayam sina public property sigi mathakta mayam chachari ba pedestrian ki lambi sida se thak chajalakpa adai dukan chajalakpa se masi police act ki makha da aina chaniba sing ji advisor aga dukan sigi me mong makha chabani aduna ngasi ki kano sigi matuni na aina mayam ki pausen cleaning badi any public property ke enforcement to bidanu masi mayam public ki ba jagani aduna public property respect tausi adu public property si kana ko pamana enforce to ta ragadi ain ki chapcha ba kong thang
A combined team of 12 Assam Rifles and Muri Commando apprehended a self-styled second lieutenant of People's Liberation Army in the wee hours today. He was arrested while frisking near Kwakta, Kuno of Indo-Myanmar border around 3:20 am, a report said. He has been identified as Sagrapam Somokanta, age 37, son of S. Ibotombi Maitai from Mongsangai, Maninglekai. He completed training in 2003 at Sajik Tampak and started working under Sergeant Major Loijing of the outfit. The arrested has been handed over to Mori Police Station. Faculty members and students of Presidency College, Modbung, today held a condolence meeting at the principal office in connection with the date of former principal of Presidency College, Saikolam Sitlo, on 15th of this month. Late Saikolam Sitlo was the second principal of Presidency College, Modbung. Now we have sports news. National Sub-Junior and Cadets Judo Championship 2019 concluded today at the Indoor Stadium of Kuman Lampak, Imphal. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam Singh, former Minister Ratan Kumar Singh, former Parliamentary Secretary M. Prithviraj Singh, and official of Manipur Judo Association attended the function. Speaking at the function, Karam Shyam said that players from Manipur who are representing the state in the global platform must be encouraged by all. Sarfaraz Ahmad was today sacked as Pakistan Test and T20 captain for the upcoming tour of Australia. As per reports, the Pakistan Cricket Board PCB said that Azhar Ali would lead the Test side in the 2 Tests in Australia, while Babar Azam would be the captain in the 3 T20 matches down under. Sarfaraz has been captain in all 3 formats of the game since the last 2 years and led Pakistan to the 2017 ICC Champions Trophy title. India bids to host Men's Hockey World Cup in 2023 and becomes the third country who have presented their bids to the host next edition of the Men's World Cup. As per reports, Belgium and Malaysia are the other two nations who have also sent their bidding dossier to conduct the men's event. Earlier, India hosted the Men's World Cup thrice. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. The top news headlines. Manipur University of Culture deserves commendation and praise, says Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. MPCC workers burn effigy of Haryana CM Manohar Lal Khattar. And P. Chidambaram name in charge sheet filed by CBI in INX media case. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.